Okay, now let's see the duos direct. Here find the 6th and 9th multiple of 12. So here you don't need to do much calculation because it carries only 1 mark. So you can search for a shortcut way how you can find the answer. Now 6th and 9th multiple. So 6th means just you multiply by 6. So 6 12s are 72. So 72 is the answer. Again 9th multiple, multiply 12 by 9. So 9 12s are 108. So 72 and 108 is the answer. Again next one, find the perimeter of an equilateral triangle whose side is 24 centimeter. Equilateral means all the sides are equal. So triangle will have 3 sides. So you can do in 2 ways. You can plus 24 plus 24 plus 24. That way you can do. Otherwise we can multiply 3 times 24. So 3 into 24. That way you can do. So if you multiply, what you will get? 72 centimeters. So if you add here also, you will get 72 centimeters. So in both the way you can do, both the way it is a correct answer. Again find the diameter of a circle whose radius is 7 centimeter. So radius equal to 7 centimeter and you have to find the diameter. So diameter is double of radius. That means it is 2 into radius. So you have to write 2 into 7. 2 7s are 14. So 14 centimeter. The diameter is 14 centimeter. You can do the shortcut. You don't need to show the calculation also. Just you can write the shortcut answer. Okay, next one. What is polygon? Many of you have searched from the internet and written the theoretical answer, and I have not given the marks. So though the answer is correct, I didn't give. In the book, it is given a very simple answer. That is nothing difficult to study. You have searched even from the book and written. But you are searching internet and writing a theoretical answer where we study in college, what we study in college, that you had written. So I didn't give the marks. At least you are searching and writing, at least you have searched from the book and written. What is polygon? Polygon, 2 words are important. That is, polygon should be a closed figure and it should be made up of only line segment. So closed figure sentence you take from the book. I am just giving what is important. Closed figure made up of only line segments. Only line segment means what it will not be a curved line. Only straight lines. Closed figure made up of only line segments. Again next one, find the area of a square whose side is 7 centimeter. Area of a square is side into side. So the side is 7 centimeters. So 7 into 7. 7 sevens are 49. And here you have to write square centimeter. If you write only centimeter, I cut half mark. Square is important in area. So you have to write square centimeter. Otherwise you can write it like this also. This we use in higher classes, smaller classes you are learning like this. When you learn in higher classes about the powers, that time you will start using that way. Okay, so 7 into 7, 49, 49 square centimeter. Again next one, write an equivalent fraction with numerator 12. Here I made a mistake and I had given the fraction in the group, but many of you did not see. Without seeing also I had written the answer. So for both the way I had given the marks. So you can write the fraction with numerator 12. Otherwise for this you can find the equivalent fraction. So for this first I will give the answer. So I told to cut this one. Okay, only for this I told you to find the answer. Both the way if you have written I have given the mark. But no connection with this both, you have written something else for them, I didn't give the marks. So here to find that, by which number if you multiply 6 you will get 18, that is 3. 6 3s are 18. So by the same number you have to multiply the numerator. So 3 3s are 9. So in this box 9 will come. So now let's come to this. So the fraction is 3 by 6, there is no change, okay, only here is the change. Here with numerator 12. So in the numerator there will be 12. So you have to find the denominator. You have to find the denominator here. So now you will find from the numerator. So by which number if you multiply 3 you will get 12. So that is 4. 3 4s are 12. By the same number you will multiply here. 6 4s are 24. So this both again I would have, if you have written, I would have given the marks. If I have not given, for some of you maybe I made a mistake, I would have not given for like this answer. If I have not given, you can forward me that photo, that picture what I have corrected and sent you, and you can get the marks back. Okay, next one. Classify the fractions as proper or improper fractions. So from here you have to find which is a proper fraction, which is an improper fraction, you have to find out. So already I told, if the head is big, then it will be improper. The head cannot stand properly, so it is an improper. That way I made it to find out, how to find out. So if the head is small, then it is a proper fraction. That means if the numerator is bigger than the denominator, that is an improper fraction. If the numerator is smaller than the denominator, that is a proper fraction. So here you see the numerator is small, the denominator is big. So this is a proper fraction. Again here if you see the numerator is bigger than the denominator, so this is an improper fraction. Again here the numerator is bigger than the denominator, so this also an improper fraction. Again here the numerator is smaller than the denominator, so this is a proper fraction. Okay, so very simple one. This also many of you did not write the correct answer. Okay, now the 8th question, make factor tree of 30. Here many of you have written correctly the answer, but you don't know how to write the proper way, no? So for that I had written half mark. See, factor trees, it should be like a tree, no, not like a calculation, don't write. Okay, some of you have just written the numbers in multiplication. So factor tree should be shown in the factor tree method. So 30, so 30 if you write, this will be 2 15s are 30. So this is the way how to write. Multiplication was not there. Many of you have written only 2 and 50. There should be a multiplication. Again 2 is a prime number. So now only 15 you will do. So 15 if you do, it will be 5 into 3. So the prime numbers only you will circle, that is 2, 5 and 3. So at the last you have to take and write the answer. 30 equal to 2 into 5 into 3. So this multiplication was missing in most of your answer sheets. Multiplication should be there. Next one, list the prime numbers between 25 and 30. So this I don't need to by heart. So now I will write fast. So you can by heart it. 25. After 25, the next prime number is 39. Again 29. Again 31. Then after that 37, 41, 43. 47. So these are the prime numbers between 25 and 30. You can list any 4 numbers between 10 to 50 which are divisible by 5 but not by 10. So now the first let's write the numbers divisible by 5. After 10, next number the divisible by 5 is 15. Then after that 20, again 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Only between 10 to 50. So 10 and 50 should not write, only this one. Again, now the next condition is given but not by 10. So the numbers, these numbers should not be divisible by 10, only by 5. So divisible by 10 means it will end with 0. It will have 0 in one's place. So those numbers you can cut it. So 20, 30 and 40 if you cut it. Remaining 15, 25, 35, 45. So these are the numbers which are divisible only by 5, not by 10. Okay, now let's see the next question. This is the question many of you did not answer, only few had written the answer. I had given the picture. From this picture I asked you to write the multiplication and division facts. So many of you did not find the answer. See here 18 pictures are there. So using this 18 picture, now the number, only take the number 18 and you make 18 will come in which are the multiplication table, that all you can use. Anything can be. Okay, so now this will come now here itself, by arranging itself we can see 6 in one row and there are 3 rows. So you can write this one, multiplication facts 3 into 6, 18. You can write that way. By looking at the picture itself we can write. There are 6 in one row and there are 3 rows. So 3, 6 are 18. That way you can write. Otherwise you can write 2 9s are 18. Okay, anyway you can write whatever you can find it, wherever 18 comes in multiplication table, that you can write. Okay, suppose if you take this one, you have write 2 multiplication facts. So one is this one, now this one change the order. So 6 into 3, 6 3s are 18. Again here also 9 into 2, 18. Okay, this is the way we can write. This is multiplication fact. Okay, now division fact. So division factors, first you have to write the bigger number first. So here 18 is the bigger number. 18 you will write, again divide. Division fact, so divide. Again in this two number, any one number you write. I am writing 6 and the other number will come after other side of the equal sign. Okay, now you have to change this order of the number. 18 divided by 3 equal to 6. This is the way you can write. Okay, you don't need to think of it how to make the calculation. You must know division means bigger number first. Then other two number, just you change the order of the number. That's all. Now for this also if you write, it will be 18 divided by 9 equal to 2. 18 divided by 2 equal to 9. Any one you can write. It's not compulsory that you have to write 2. Any one you can write. Okay, next one. Find the dividend. If the divisor is 25, the question is 117, 171 and the remainder is 10. So here you must know the formula to find the dividend. So the formula is dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So here the divisor is 25. We can multiply. Quotient is 171. Again plus remainder 10. See here this is a bigger number. So you have to show the calculation here, not in the rough form. Show the calculation at this nearby, otherwise this side. Don't go to the rough side. You have 2 marks and if you write only the answer, you won't get the full marks. So this bigger number I have given so that multiplication also included here. From division, multiplication also I can ask the question. No, for that only 2 questions combined from 2 lessons I have combined this one. So you have to show the multiplication also there. So for multiplication also I am giving the marks. So now 171 multiplied by 25. So if you multiply, you will get 5 ones are 5, 7 5s are 35, 3 again, 5 ones are 5 plus 3, 8. Again here 2 ones are 2, 7 2s are 14, remainder 1, 2 ones are 1 plus 1, 3, 1, 2 ones are 2 plus 1, 3, again 5, 7, here 12, here 1, 4. Now 4,275 plus 10, it is 4,285. So the dividend is 4,285. This is the answer. This is the way you have to write the calculation also there. Next one, what must be added to 73,168 to get 93,174? So must be added. What must be added? If this word comes, I told you to minus. Okay, again another one, many of you made mistake. Since I had given comma here, many of you thought this 73 is another number, 168 is another number. And here 93 is another number and 174 is another number. That way you had written the answer. You have this all 5-digit number. This both the numbers are 5-digit number. And what must be added means you have to subtract. So when you subtract, you write the bigger number first. So 93,000, that is a bigger number. So 93,174 minus 73,168. I am not doing the calculation. Minus you can do by yourself. Okay, so you have to minus and write. And I want to tell only this because of minor comma you had made a mistake. For that only I had taken the exam. Next one, find the product of 74 into 65 using lattice method. Here also many of you had written without lattice method, you had written the answer. So lattice method, this is two-digit number, two-digit number. So you have to make 2 rows and 2 columns. So after making that, in each column you give one digit, one number. Again here also for each row you give one digit code. Now you have to diagonally you have to divide the squares. So in this square you have to multiply only these 2 number and write. And here will be tens number, here will be ones number. So 4 6 are 24. So this is the way you write. In this column this number and direct to that this side 6 is there. So this 2 only you will multiply and write. 7 6 are 42. So 4 will be here, 2 will be here. Again this column 4 is on the top, 5 is on the side. So 4 and 5 only will multiply. 4 5s are 20. So 2 and 0. Again here this column on the top 7 is there, side 5 is there, so 7 and 5 only will multiply. 7 5s are 35, so you write it here 5. Again now this in this triangle, first triangle comes in this triangle, what number is there? Only that you write it down. 0 is there, so 0 you write. Now between this diagonal line and this diagonal line, whatever number is there you have to add and write it here. Now 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 5 11. So 11 you have got. You cannot write 2 digit number here. Only 11 you will write. Another only 1 you will write. That 1 you will carry the numbers between these two diagonal numbers. There you have to carry. And you add with these numbers. Now 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 3 8. So that you will add and write here. Again end of that here is one triangle. So in this triangle what number is there? That you write it out. Okay, so now you have got 4 8 1. This is the way you have to come from up to down, again from left to right. That we have to write. From up to down means if you add this number 4 8, again left to right 110. So 4 8 110, that is the answer. So 74 into 65 equal to 4810. That is the answer.